Now you have to review all these three state of matter: solid, liquid and gas, based on their physical properties. In case of solid, the solid contains definite shape. In liquids, no definite shape, but in case of gas, there is also no definite shape. So solid have definite shape, liquid do not have definite shape. In case of gas, they do not have the definite shape. Now second is the mass. The solid have definite mass, and in case of the liquid have also definite mass, and gas also have definite mass. Volume, solid have definite volume, liquid have definite volumes, and gas do not have definite volume. So these are the properties of the solid, liquid and gases. Now next is the phases in solid, liquid and gas. Their motion of the particles, speed of the particles. In case of the solids, the particle vibrate in place and they are tightly packed, but speed of the particle is slow. But in case of liquid, the particle are closed but can slide past one another. The medium of speed is in case of the liquid. The speed of the particle in case of liquid is medium. Now in case of the gas, the particle constantly expanding and they have higher kinetic energy as compared to the potential energy, and the speed of the particle is fast. So these are the phases: solid, liquid and gas. And motion of the particle: in case of solid, that's vibrate and they are tightly bound. In case of the liquid, they are closely but can slide one another. In case of the gas, they are constantly expanding. The speed of particle in case of the gas is slow, and in case of the liquid is medium, and in case of the gas is fast. Now we have to see the state of matter. The state of matter is the one of the form that takes such as solid, liquid and gases. The matters are solid, liquid and gas. In solid are the matter that has a fixed volume and fixed shape. In case of liquid, it is a matter that have a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. In case of gas, the matter is a matter that has no fixed volume or fixed shape. Now here is a phase changes, means conversion of phase changes, change in a state of matter. We can say also change in a state of matter. In change in a state of matter, the solid is converted into liquid by melting process. Change in a phase, that's a melting, and in melting the heat goes into the solid and it melts. In case of the liquid to solid, this process is known as a freezing. When liquid is converted into solid, that is the process known as freezing, and the heat leaves the liquid as it freezes. Okay, the solid is converted directly into the vapor. That process is known as a sublimation. In sublimation, there is increase in the temperature and decrease in the pressure. The liquid is converted into gas by the vaporization process, and the gases are converted into liquid by condensation. So all these are the phases that change into the one phase to another phase by some processes. Now here you have to say here is the change in the state of the matter. You have to see here solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. when solid state is changed into liquid, that is a melting. Now melting is a temperature at which the solid melt is called its melting point. Simply melting point is a temperature. Okay. Now second is the liquid converted into the gaseous state by vaporization. The vaporization is a change in the state or change in the form from liquid state to gaseous state. When the substance is heated, its particle begin to go faster than and faster. So there is a great attraction of the particle around them. So they release completely and become a gas. Okay. Now next is the solid changes into the gases known as sublimation process. In sublimation process, the solid is directly converted into the liquid form, gaseous form, not liquid, gaseous form. The solid is directly converted into the gaseous form by sublimation process. Okay. Now the gas is converted into the liquid by condensation process. The condensation is the transition form in which the gases transform a gaseous state into the liquid state. As the gas cool, its particles start slow down. So the temperature at which gas is condensed, it is known as a condensation point. Okay. Now next is the freezing. Means when liquid is converted into solid, that process is known as a freezing, and freezing is also a temperature or it's a temperature of the substance when where the liquid is converted into solid state. Okay. So for example, water is freeze at 0°C or 30°F. Okay. So this is all about the change in a state of matter, in which the one matter is changed into another state by some processes, that is known as a change in a state of matter. So thank you very much for listening. Now we will continue with other topic with next video. Thank you.